Um, Good morning, everyone. So today our group decide to present about the suction robot. So for this robot is make the advantage obtained from the use of robot that controlled by a certain system. So this robot has a positive impact and has a distribution of good and will be more systematic and manner if a company using it. So this robot is very economical and because it doesn't require many laborers to lift good. Sambung background. Kita kena mula balik
Kena
Nampaknya
kenalkan
begitu.
Kena kenalkan nama ke?
Jap. Saya start.
Kena nama. So contoh macam starting we are to presentation the suction robot 16 L1 kan. So Azhar macam cakap tadi, my name is Siti Azhara apa. My metric number is blah blah blah. So I will explain the abstract of the project assignment about the suction robot. So macam kalau macam shaft tu kan, kau macam background. Then kau background kalau Azhar dah habis macam masa lah. Okay. I blah 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 blah. My number metric is blah blah blah. I will explain about the background of the suction robots. Macam tu, faham tak?
Oh, faham.
Okay. Awak dah record Syida?
Kalau korang tak boleh record tak apa, aku boleh record.
Okay, jap. Okay, jap. One, two, three. Good morning, everyone. So, we are from group 16 L1. So, today we are going to present about the suction robot. So, I will explain about the abstract about the project. So, this robot is show the advantage obtained from the use of robot controlled by a certain system. So, this robot has a positive impact that can help the company to help with a warehouse. So, this robot will have a distribution of good and more systematic and manner. This robot also more economical because it doesn't require many laborers to lift goods. So, I will pass the presentation to my friend.
Hello, my name is Nur Shafika binti Shamsuddin and my metric number is A23A1962. I will talk about the background of the suction robots. In today's era of technology, this sophisticated robot is very necessary in everyday life. This is said to be so because robots can help facilitate the activities performed. For example, large logistic companies are in dire need of robots that can help facilitate the process of their logistic activities. Large logistic companies are in dire need of this kind of technological sophistication because the requirement of human labor alone will not be able to launch the process of logistic activities. Human labor power has its limits compared to the power of provided by robot power. Therefore, we have created a robot that can help a large company in handling the process of logistic activities. The robot we create is focused on the process of moving and distributing goods in box according to their type. Our group has created a new high technology type of robot in handling box packages. This robot is created by having a suction placed at the front of the robot's head to suck all the small and large balls to be moved from others to another place. This suction is created to suck the balls with a stronger grip and not easily fall when the removal process is underway. In addition, this robot is also created with a long body to facilitate the process of picking up and sucking the box further inside without having to do much movement. This robot is also created with 360 degrees of rotation that can make rounds to suck box without limits. This robot also has a wheel movement at the bottom that can move this robot faster and safely to anywhere. The switch created in each part of this robot also consists of an on-off button that can make it easier to use. Thank you. I will pass the presentation to my friends.
Hi, I am Sarah Betty Ruslan, and my matric number is A23A1789. So I would like to explain about the problem statement, which is key question and also model about the suction robots. So our key question is three we have three things that consist into the problem statement, which is we have high initial cost for the robot suction and regular maintenance, also lack of adaptability. Redo je. Lack of adaptability. So every robot creation must have a problem to face. And while robotic system in logistics and warehouse offer numerous advantages, they also come with potential drawbacks. It's important to consider this limitation to implement and manage robotic technologies effectively. The suction robots that we do needs high initial cost because of the implementation of robotic system, which is including excavation, installation, and integration. Often comes with significant upfront costs. So small and medium-sized business may find it challenging to justify these initial expenses. This typical robotic is the biggest obstacle that will decide whether or not a company will invest in the robotic automation or wait until a later stage. A comprehensive business case must be built when considering the implementation of these technologies. The return can be substantial and quite often occur within a short period of time. However, the cash flow must be sustainable in the meantime, and the stability of the company is by no means worth the risk if the returns are only marginal. Such as robotic system required regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance. Unplanned downtime for maintenance or repair can disrupt warehouse operation and impact the warehouse overall the productivity warehousing. In addition, some robotic systems are designed for specific tasks or environment and may lack the adaptability to handle changes in the layout of the warehouse, variation in product types, or adjustment to workflows. This can lead to slow work and the robots need to update the system or maintain it regularly. So the implementation of robot robot warehousing can result in increased operational efficiency, reduce labor costs, improve accuracy in order fulfillment, and enhance overall warehouse productivity. Then, as technology continues to advance, the capabilities of robotic systems in warehousing are likely to evolve, leading to even more sophisticated and efficient solutions. So, I would like to introduce our suction robot, and I will explain the definition of robot warehousing. So robot warehousing refers to the use of robotic technology in warehouse operation to automate various tasks involved in the warehouse operation to storage, retrieval, and management of goods and inventory. These technologies aim to improve efficiency, accuracy, and speed in warehouse process, ultimately enhancing overall supply chain management. The name of our robot creation warehouse is the suction robot. So, which is this suction robot is a picking robot that is used for picking the goods from shelf and bins. And also, advanced robotics arm are equipped and grippers are designed to handle various shapes and size of products, ensuring accurate and efficient picking. The suction robot has powerful suction power, and the suction power of this robot is a large suction power of 2,499 per arm that can grip the item of box firmly to make it easier for the robot to suction the box to move and distributed according to the type. And in addition, the suction robot is created with a long body and two hands with the aim of making it easier to pick up things on distant shelf without having to perform any movement. This can further accelerate the delivery of the goods to the consumer as it uses sophisticated suction robot using of manpower and a robotic suction made of stainless steel that can prevent the robot from breaking down quickly in order to facilitate its ability to execute an infinite numbers of moves. The robot was also designed with a wheel at the bottom of its body. Additionally, the robot body was designed to rotate 360 degrees, which is should make it should make it easier to move forward from location to another place. And also, the button of power and off is also included in the switch to facilitated use. The operation of this robot does not use batteries, but only a small amount of electricity compared to other picking robots that consume of a lot electricity. So the situation of our model creation is our robotic model that we like to install to enter into the warehouse is every warehousing needs more like this technologies robotic to speed up the warehousing activities, which is sorted the goods to the specified box. So when the goods on the movement lane, the suction robot will pick up the goods into the box which is available near the robot and ready to arrange at the stack. So I will passing the next presentation to my friends.
Hi, my name is Nur Shahida binti Ahmad Shukri. My number matric A23A1648. I will continue about discussion. This section robot was created to facilitate the process of disturbing good in box, and this section robot was created with various type of function. This robot was created with a long body with the purpose of making it easier to pick up items in boxes that are deep inside without having to do a lot of movement. At the front of this robot, we put a large suction part to facilitate the process of this robot, which is to stuck to box that will be moved and distributed according to type with a stronger grip so that it's not easy to fall and be damaged. This robot was also created with wheel at the bottom of this body with the aim of making it easier for it to do unlimited movement. This body of this robot is also created with a 360-degree rotation that aim to facilitate the process of moving boats from only one place. Thank you. I will pass another part to my friends.
Uh, Thank you, Sarita. My name is Siti Naizati binti John. My metric number is A23A11820. I want to explain about the expected contribution. This section, robot was created to facilitate the process of handling bots to be moved from one place to another. One of the benefits of this robot is that it speeds up the process of removing bots without any problem. Um, this robot can also help human labor in carrying out um, the bot removal process. This is because human labor has limits on its use. Human labor needs enough rest and it's not the same as robot technology. This robot can also launch the process of moving the bot faster and faster, and it can be delivered to the customer on time. This action robot can move and distribute bots by typing more orderly and neatly. As for the scope of security, the security of a bot package will also be more easily guaranteed. This is this is said because the section robot is capable and successful in moving and distributing it in a more detailed and systematic way. With the presence of this section robot as well, the mistake of the logistic company in making the delivery of the boat package to the customer will not easily happen. This is said to be so because this robot has successfully taught boat package according to several criteria, such as the type and where the package needs to be sent. Then, this can improve the image of the company. The state of the company, full of unorganized package, will cause easy accidents to happen while the logistic process is going on. This robot can help tidy up the company's areas to be more tidy and orderly. Then I will pass to my friend.
I'm Nurul Shafqa binti Cekmeh. My number matrix number 823A2207. I will continue the conclusion. In the conclusion obtained from this project, it was found that the use of robots not only makes it easier but also speeds up the delivery time, and the quality of the goods is also more guaranteed to the customer. Customer satisfaction is also very important in the goods delivery business because with customer satisfaction, receiving goods without the damage and the right goods and directly increase profit for the company. This project also has a very strong impact on the importance of the use of robotics in the delivery of goods, not only for the goods delivery industry, but the use of robotics is also becoming more widespread in various industries in the world because it brings many positive impacts to a company. But in the good the use of the robot by every company must be aware of the maintenance issues of the robot machines used so that the robot can function smoothly without any technical problem. Next, the use of this robot can also reduce the cost of producing high salary payments to many laborers, which does not bring profit but even losses if the goods transported by these laborers experience damage or delivery errors to customers. This can cause customers to mistrust the company and be detrimental. Because of that, the emergence of the use of robots is very helpful for the goods delivery company, even though it requires a relatively high cost to choose a place and a robot that is suitable for a company's capital. But the problem of negligence can avoid it. Then, with a suitable robot shape that can rotate 316 degrees, also able to speed up the process of transporting goods from the warehouse to the goods delivery ship. The grip of the robot is also very strong, and it cannot be denied that it is difficult to fall when the robot is doing its job. Even though it has used the service of the robot, workers are still needed for the task of observing the movement of the robot and to maintain the robot if it suffers any damage. Thank you.
Okey, dah siap.